few days ago, this was just a cube, and today I tried turning it into something real. When I first opened Blender, honestly, I thought I would never understand this software. Buttons, panels everywhere, and a random cube in the middle. But a few days later, this cube actually turned into something. If you are started right now, you probably know this feeling. You open it, and suddenly it feels like you are inside a spaceship control panel. At first, I didn't even know how to move anything. But then I realized something important. You don't need to understand everything at once. You just start with the basics like move, scale, rotate. These tiny things were my first win. And then I discovered tools that actually start shaping objects like loop cut and extrude. This is when Blender started feeling less like chaos and more like building something. So I tried turning this cube into something simple. Nothing crazy, just my first real object. Is it perfect? Definitely not. But this is the first thing I actually created in Blender. And honestly, the small moments changes everything. Because suddenly Blender didn't feel impossible anymore. It just feel like something you can slowly learn. If you are learning Blender right now and feeling confused, you are not alone. Every 3D artist started with the same cube. And this is just the beginning of my Blender learning journey. Let's see what we can create next. And tell me in the comments what was the first thing you have created in Blender.